Hi, I am Britt. I am a postdoc affiliated with UC Riverside, but I'm located at an off-campus research station at the Kearney Agricultural Research and Extension Center in the Central Valley just outside of Fresno. Today we had what was the first ever UC-focused hemp field day. We shared a lot of information about some of the ongoing work at the UC focused on hemp. This is a new crop, so information shared today focused on agronomy needs, irrigation, nitrogen, as well as pest management work. In addition, I am leading a project focused on establishing what is called the Hemp Agroecology Network, trying to connect anyone working with hemp throughout California. The industry response was pretty good today. We had 50 or more participants. It was a good response. We had growers here, we had consultants, we had people in private industry, government, all kind of facets of working with this crop were here today.
Hi, my name is Dan Putnam at the University of California, Davis. Over the last 4 years, myself and colleagues here have been working on industrial hemp, primarily for the purposes of CBD production. But we're also exploring the importance of hemp as a potential seed producer as well as fiber producing crop. And the role of the university, I think, is to take a longer view to try to make sure that we develop the knowledge base. We know a lot more about how to produce the crop, what are the resources that are required to produce the crop, and that solve some of the problems that farmers are facing. This is a CBD type of hemp, which is grown for the pain-killing compounds known as CBD, and they are present in the inflorescence here called the cola, and we'll see these flowers develop more sticky substances on the outside of the inflorescences, and that's where most of the CBD is concentrated, in those sticky substances.
I'm Maya Hotz. I work at the Putnam lab. I'm a junior specialist. I've worked with hemp since June 2020, so this is my third season. I work mostly in an agronomic sense with this crop. That means that I am trying to figure out, hey, can we grow this plant in a way that will be able to make the average farmer money? Like, is this worth it? Some people think that there's a big future for hemp as a construction product.
My name's Wade Atterberry, and I'm with Western Fibers, and we operate the Riverdale Hemp Gin. For me, the big interest is industrial hemp, and specifically industrial hemp fiber. One of the big things, of course, is to make thread and yarn. But fiber can be mixed in with cement. Fiber can be mixed in with a multitude of products for strength. We actually make a hemp insulation, and typically hempcrete, which kind of a lot of people know about now. And we've developed a spray machine and a method, a way to build with it, but we can use the whole plant. So we can let the field dry, and we can go in and silage cut it and spray that, mix it with lime and binder, and spray it right into a wall as insulation that'll now last for basically forever. Let's bring jobs back to America. Let's bring green jobs back to America. When we grow an acre of hemp, we got 8 tons of dried biomass per acre out of that. We had 25-foot tall plants out of that. We get about 22 metric tons of CO2 locked up in 1 acre of our hemp. So when we turn that into thread or yarns, we've locked that CO2 up out of the atmosphere. So we can grow our way out of the CO2 climate crisis with hemp.
My name is Hongliang Ding, and I'm the president of Hemp Vortex. I'm from China. I have been in hemp industry since 1994, so almost 30 years. We made some trial growing hemp in Central Valley of California. I think in next year we're growing around maybe 5,000 acres up to 10,000 acres, and I really hope next year we are going to get some U.S. grow fiber.
I'm Jack Norton. I'm a hemp grower. The company I grow for is called Terpene Belt Farms. I'm also a member of the Industrial Hemp Advisory Board. The research that is coming out of UCANR, I was really impressed with what was here today. In particular, I think that the presentations that were given here were a level that were beyond what I expected. I'm excited to see more events like this. I hope ANR keeps producing these, because this was excellent.